Hey, sorry for the interruption. It's good to see you guys. Ruben, what is up, man? What is up, man? How are you? How are you? How are you? Is your book in the UK? Is it or is it not? Is it or is it not? Thank you guys so much for coming in. My name is Desiree Lee, best-selling author, public speaker, and publishing consultant. I am that lady that will help you take your idea to publish to impact and teach you guys on how to blaze your own trail like a powerhouse. Okay, I focus in the areas of print, digital, and also audiobooks. Please excuse my voice. I apologize. I've been up scoping and working all throughout the night and the morning. Thank you guys so much for helping me. Okay, fantastic. Just a quick hello. Got to start class. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much for popping in. We were talking very highly of you. Just to let you know, Ruben, you can definitely click the link in my bio and purchase or pre-order our second book, This Really Works, Author Hacks Edition number 2. Okay? And thank you for popping in just to invite your friends and followers. I appreciate that, Rube. You're the bomb, man. You're the bomb. And I still can't wait to meet you next week. Okay, so I want to share with you guys, is your book in the UK? Is your book in the UK? Thank you guys for inviting your friends and followers. The more you tap on that screen, the more I share. I really appreciate that. And if you're new, just know this. I don't call you guys followers. You are my friends. Okay, awesome. Is your book in the UK? And I could teach you guys on how to find out how. Just real quickly, it's real simple, real easy. Just to find out, you're going to go to amazon.co.uk. Okay, Amazon has so many different platforms. Okay, amazon.co.uk. So all I did was type in my name, and as you can see, the currency has changed. On Amazon.com, I have 34 reviews. Here in the UK, I have 1 review, and I know that came from Periscope because we have not exercised all of our avenues to promote via internationally. As you guys can see, even This Really Works for our London users, our UK users. This Really Works is also the pre-sale. Can you believe it? Even the pre-sales are available on all the other platforms around the world. So I thought that was amazing. So if you already have a book, put your title on the book and let's see if your book is already in the UK. We had a few people from our last scope. Dawn is from Grind to Grace. Okay. And guess what? Dawn's book is in the UK. That is so insane. That is so insane. Dawn, screenshot that. I'm so excited to share this with you. One of our members, her book is also too in the UK. I just check my royalties and always see GB in your commissions. Yes. Yes, absolutely. And I know you're like, what in the world is that? Well, it's because your book is everywhere. Okay, absolutely. That is awesome. So let's check you out, David. HD Mindset. Is this it? It's already in there? You mean to tell me it's already in there? That's crazy. Let's see. Ah, yes, this is awesome. David's book, I need testimonies on my UK page, though. You need to tell your Periscope users, your Periscope friends. Absolutely. Okay, so yes, HD Mindset is available. Screenshot that, David, and let people know it's available in the UK. Say screenshot it, share it out on Twitter, and say, hey, I just found out my book is available in the UK. Okay, absolutely. I thought that was awesome. That's awesome. Do we have any other authors here in this scope? Any other authors that you want to find out if your book is in the UK? Okay. Also, too, don't forget to click that link in the bio to pre-order your copy of This Really Works, Idea, Publish, Impact. Okay. And it's available for pre-sale order right now. HD Mindset. I'm so happy for you, David. Love that old. I'm not sure. Old. Love that something. Oh, love that pick. Oh, awesome. Me too. I'm sure there are aspiring authors watching. Absolutely. I'm sure that there's aspiring authors too. And that's why people are coming in. But I can't wait to see their books on Amazon and surprise them with this gift as well. Okay. Yep. So I'm excited about that. And so I'm going to do... I'm going to show you where else. Let's see. I'm going to show you where else your book is available around the world, okay? So join me on this next scope. I don't want to cut off on you guys. Again, thank you guys for joining me. I am Desiree Lee, best-selling author, public speaker, and publishing consultant. I am that lady that will help you, okay? Help you take your idea to publish to impact. That's nice. You're putting all of this out there, but nice does not pay the bills, David. Okay, nice does not help me make the impact. It's you guys actually implementing these hacks that help me make the impact. Now that is beautiful. And on top of that, I appreciate you guys. I know this. Yeah. I appreciate you guys always coming into my hacks and joining my membership. My membership. I'll tell you what, David, I'm so excited about it too as well. And also, coming into our conference calls nightly to get the more. So if you think this is grand, wait until you see what's included in our membership. You think this is awesome? Join one of our nightly author hack conference calls after dark. You think I tell it all? Do you think I'm telling it all? You know, I just have so much and I have to give it bit by bit because I don't want to overwhelm you guys. And so if you think this is grand, wait until you see this. And I can't wait for my members to let them know I have something so awesome for them. Something so awesome for them in the month of May. Yes. It's impossible to something. I'm not sure. I missed the last comment above that, David. Sorry. Yes, you can definitely order your copy. Make sure if you take a screenshot, please share this on Twitter. Tag me in your photos. I would love to give you a shout out and retweet it as well. Is that the book? Is that a book mock-up? You know what? We can't create a book mock-up for you like this. We have so many different things too, so we can definitely create a book mock-up. Impossible to share it all. Yeah, in one setting, but it's not impossible to share it all. But it kind of is because they have new hacks coming out every single day, man. They have some awesome stuff coming out every day, I promise you. And I'm like, what? Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Wait until I share with my members this. I always say that in that order. I say that in that order. What? When I find a new hack, I'm like, what? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Wait until I share with my members this. Yes, I definitely, right? Yes, because I'm very teachable. I love to learn. I was raised that way, is that you don't know it all. So keep learning. Never stop learning. So again, you can definitely get a copy of this book, a second edition of Author Hacks. Okay, this really works. You can click the link in my bio and purchase your copy today. That's why we need to chat today. Let me know when you're free. What? That is crazy. Wait till I tell people this. Yes, Steven. Kevin, what is up, Kevin Madison? Thank you so much for joining. Okay, guys, that's it. I just want to share with you guys, it's your book in the UK. We just typed in David's book, HC Mindset. Okay, good morning to you, sunshine. Okay, we just shared David's book is available in the UK. Also, too, my pre-sales is available in the UK. Isn't that something? The platform that I use for self-publishing, you will also see it, that you're able to go internationally with this thing. I didn't even know. We just uploaded this for pre-sales, and this really works. Author Hacks too. I'm going to have to create a link for it for, you know, people who are overseas here on my scope to be able to dive into that too as well. All of my books, Author Hacks, published. Are you freaking kidding me? They didn't even send me an email letting me know this. Shut up. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Wow. Wait until I show you guys this. This is crazy. Are you serious? No way. Shut up. This is like the last few days of this year has been amazing. Okay, hold on. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Desiree. Wow. This is the fastest. I published 2 books in 2 months. Shut up. This is the fastest that I ever done it. Okay, where is the, let me put in author hacks then. Because now I have to call them and tell them author hacks to mesh it together. So how is it? Let's see. Let's see if 2 is going to come up. Okay. So there it is. Author hacks. 1. Let me put publish on a shoestring budget. Put that. Let's see. Uh-oh. Books. Shoestring is 1 word. Shoestring budget. This is insane. Okay, so how is it available? Oh man, I gotta find this out. I gotta find out what's going on, guys. This is insane, guys. Okay, let me share with you what I just found out. I know you guys are like, what is she doing? What is she so in awe about right now? UK. I just found out that my book is available for print in the UK's website. So I'm like, my first author hacks, I just did it on a Kindle edition. So I'm like, okay. Shut up. I'm not even, you know what? This is what we're going to do. Wow. Pin your books and become, shut up. Okay. This is like crazy to me. This is blowing my mind. Okay, this is blowing my mind right here live that you guys are seeing behind the scenes. I'm sorry I'm not looking at the comments right now. Okay, what tells you I'm in UK? You go to Amazon.uk, Amazon.co, okay? Amazon.co. And I'm going to share with the authors where in our membership group where else you guys are located at, okay? So you're going to get these links and websites and stuff like that. I'm definitely going to highlight your book in the membership group, Dawn. And so I'm going to share with you guys, it's not just the UK, but here on the scope, I'm just showing the UK, but I'm going to show you guys the other countries you guys are available to, and too, you can see it right then and there where your book is, okay? And you can also tell that when the currency changes, you already know it's in a different country. You already know that. And if you see on your royalties, if somebody purchased your book from a different country, you will see in your royalties, it will come as euro and your royalties. But I just found out that this is available in paperback here on the UK, and I'm trying to find it available in paperback in the US too. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. This is pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. Well, guys, I have to get ready for my meeting with Dr. Walter and also make a few calls, have my assistant answer some emails as well, start putting up some promotion. So make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms at dleeinspires.com. For my members, for all of my beta members of our membership Author Hacks Unlimited membership group, please be sure to make sure you check those notifications because I'm about to send some really great stuff to you today. And also, if you need any help with your book, if you're an aspiring author, beginner, or pro, and you needed to help me to take you from idea to publish to impact, I can definitely do so. Make sure you email me at dleeinspires@gmail.com. You can also visit my website at dleeinspires.com. I am here to help you and guide you along the way. Like I end all of my scopes, This is how I end them. That it's never too late to become what you could have been. As you guys are seeing this, I'm going all around the world with my books here, and I'm taking other authors with me too as well. It's never too late to become what you could have been. Dang, that almost looks like me. I was about to say, did somebody take my Desiree 1910? I was about to say, did somebody take me, or what is this, my past life? Because that sure does look like me, right guys? Does that look like me or not? That's crazy. I know, right? It says 1910 though. The race of Lord. I swear that might be my past life person. Why am I an author? I don't know. Hey, what's up? What's up, my friend Montel? What's up? What's up? It's good to see you. I know, right? That looks just like me, right? That does. That looks so much like me. That's crazy. It's blowing my mind right now. But I want to let you guys know it's never too late to become what you could have been. Whatever you start, make sure you finish it. You have endured too much, came too far, got beat up too much, and fought every single day too much, too far to give up now, okay? Just because you have failed does not mean that you are a failure. You guys keep pushing, keep working, just do the best you can with what you have until you can do better. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.